What is up guys, it's your boy Joshua and welcome back to Motion Media 7. I have received so many messages from you guys with that question that I decided today under your request to talk about the differences between speak and talk. If you are new to this channel, remember to smash the like button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. Most importantly is when you hit the notification bell so that you can get news from all the videos that we have to provide on that channel. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe. I'm waiting for you. I have all my time. Okay, now that you have subscribed to the channel, let's get the ball rolling, shall we? The subject today is the uses of speak and talk. Both speak and talk means say words, but there are some small differences in how they are used, and this is what we are going to learn them today. Generally, speak is more formal than talk. For instance, if you say to someone, "I need to speak to you," this one is formal. It is possible that the speaker does not know the person very well, or this could be a formal setting such as work, and more often that what the person has to say is really important. On the other hand, if you say, "I need to talk to you," it is informal. We say that to talk, we use say to talk to friends or people that we know, and the thing that we have to say is not important. We also use speak for formal presentation and lecturers and talk for informal ones. Example, in today's ceremony, Dr. Joshua will speak about the history of communication, and right after that, our assistant will talk to us about the benefits of this meeting today. It is very important, guys, that you note when we refer to languages, we never use talk. Instead, we use the verb speak. For example, how many languages do you speak? Never say, how many languages do you talk? Never say that. We say, how many languages do you speak? We sometimes use speak and talk both with preposition for formal situation. Preposition like with or to. Talking to your superior, you can say, "I need to speak to you about this." On a phone call, you can say, "May I please speak with Mr. Joshua?" And finally, you can say, "I was looking for you today. Where were you?" And the answer to that question is, "Well, I was talking to Miss Carol." All right, now that you know how to use speak and how to use talk, and when it's formal and informal, I would say thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. If you want to watch another video, you can also click up there or right there. And as always, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.